Okay, so today I thought I would cover basic Telnet access to the two switches I have on the table behind me. So we have the rollover cable plugged into switch 1 into the console port, and we are going to access that via serial line COM5. So we're in PuTTY right now. We've changed the serial line to COM5, and we are going to go ahead and hit open. Now we are going to maximize that window, and we are into switch 1, enable, and configure terminal. So we're going to first need to set a username and password. So username of admin and a secret password of admin also. And then we are going to set an enable secret password of admin as well. Okay, that's done. And now we need to assign an interface to VLAN 1. So interface VLAN 1. And the IP address I've chosen for this switch is 192.168.10.1 with a 24 subnet mask. So IP address 192.168.10.1 space 255.255.255.0. And go ahead and exit that. And now we are going to need to apply a command to the terminal lines. So line VTY 015, and we're going to need to use login local here. And so we've done that. Let's check to see if the VLAN 1 interface is up, and it is. So let's go ahead and hop over to the command prompt and see if we can ping the VLAN 1 interface. Now, this switch is connected to the computer via fast Ethernet 048, I believe. And the two switches are connected together via fast Ethernet 047. Now, all of these are layer 2 ports. They have not been made layer 3 ports, although these switches are capable of that. And they are all assigned to VLAN 1. So, we are going to go ahead and ping 192.168.10.1 and see what happens. And there we go. We have a reply from 192.168.10.1. And we are going to go ahead and try to telnet into the switch itself. Okay. It's asking us for a username. We've already set the username of admin. Password, admin again. And let's try enable. And password, we've set the enable password to admin again. And let's try show IP interface brief just to see if things work. And things do appear to be working on switch 1. So now we're going to plug the rollover cable into switch 2 and proceed with the setup of switch 2. Okay, the rollover cable is in switch 2 now. So we have a switch 2 prompt here. Enable, works just fine. Configure terminal, works just fine again. And we are going to use the same setup here as we did on switch 1, with the caveat that we are assigning a different IP address to the VLAN 1 interface. So username is going to be admin again, so username admin, and a secret password of admin as well. And so we need an enable secret password now. We're going to make that admin as well. And on the VTY lines, we are going to apply login local. Now we've done that. And on the VLAN 1 interface, we are going to assign an IP address now. We've already stated which IP address we're going to use, 192.168.10.2 with a 24 subnet mask. Okay, we have that, and let's see if VLAN 1 on this switch is working. It is. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the command prompt and attempt to ping VLAN 1 on the second switch. And I just pinged the wrong IP address. There we go. And it just came back. We have a good ping. So let's telnet into the switch as well. Telnet 192.168.10.2, and there we go. Username, admin, password, admin. Enable, and password is admin again. We'll execute show IP interface brief here, just to see if things are working, and they are. So, there we go. Telnet access to both switches has been established. And now, SSH will probably be something I will do on a future day. These switches have an outdated encryption algorithm that they use, and the version of Windows I have does not like that particular encryption algorithm. So when I set up SSH, we are going to have to execute some command line switches to modify SSH to use the outdated encryption algorithms that these switches use. And that's about it.